Well, here's a blast from the past. 1960 Ford pickup truck. License plate there says California. It's got a 6-cylinder in it. I looked at it one time before. I think it said 29,000 original miles on it. And he wants 10,000 for it, I think. Yeah, 10.5, 29,000 miles. But it looks in real sweet shape here. Just thought I'd show you this. Pretty cool old truck. Boy, the sun is just beating in my face. I can't tell if I'm getting a good shot here or not. Looks pretty clean and neat in there. But look at that pretty grill and everything there. Pretty cool. Just thought I'd pass that along to you.